inspired by the relaxing Japanese hot bath. Panasonic delivers high-quality storage water heaters, made durable with high-standard manufacturing. We conduct stringent tests and inspections to ensure durability and safety for the ultimate user experience. Our storage tanks are built to be reliable and corrosion resistant. Using high-quality materials made in Japan and precise manufacturing technologies, such as the advanced tungsten inert gas welding machine. Multiple inspections are done by qualified craftsmen for consistent quality, followed by an intensive pre-treatment painting process up to 7 stages. Products are also tested to ensure optimal hot water temperature and supply. At Panasonic, the product safety is always our top priority. We carry out various safety inspections to detect water tank leakages and air leakages. The IPX4 rating ensures resistance against water splashes from any direction. Internal insulation material is made to prevent the spread of fire, along with advanced safety features that protect against overheating and electric shock. For long-term durability, products are tested under harsh conditions to ensure good color after prolonged use, withstand rapid temperature changes, and high humidity levels. Panasonic aims to provide products with high level of durability. We conduct rigorous tests with long-term continuous operation. Packed with extra protection to reduce risks of damage during logistics. Only after passing all tests, a product is shipped. Japan's manufacturing excellence. A recognized global standard. Simply sleek and elegant, yet tough enough to withstand years of use.
Panasonic.